This is the Dynamic Pressure Interactive Calculator, which solves for various aerodynamic parameters using fundamental fluid dynamics relationships. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate dynamic pressure, calculate velocity, calculate density, calculate from Mach number, calculate at altitude ISA, and calculate total pressure Pitot. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate dynamic pressure. The input fields include fluid density RHO, velocity V, dynamic pressure Q, Mach number M, temperature T, altitude H, static pressure Ps, and total pressure PT. Let me walk through a worked example. I'll enter a fluid density of 1.2225 kilograms per cubic meter and a velocity of 250 meters per second. After clicking Calculate, the results show dynamic pressure equals 38281.25 pascals, or 38.281 kilopascals, which represents the kinetic energy per unit volume of the moving fluid. The velocity confirms our input at 250 meters per second, or 900 kilometers per hour. The density shows 1.2250 kilograms per cubic meter, and the Mach number calculates to 0.735. indicating subsonic flow at about 73.5% of the speed of sound. This tool streamlines aerodynamic calculations for aircraft design and fluid flow analysis. Find the link in the description below.